皆さんこんにちは。パク・オクス牧師、オンライン聖書セミナーの、お知らせとご招待です。恐れと罪に神の御言葉で打ち勝つ。10月24日日曜日から28日木曜日まで、開かれます。YouTube 開いて GNMJAPAN で検索していただければライブ配信で見ることができます。ここに詳しいことが書いてありますが、10月24日は午後7時半から1回のセミナーです。翌25日から28日は午前10時半と午後7時半の2回の聖書セミナーです。もちろん参加費は無料です。YouTube チャンネル、YouTube を開いて GNJAPAN と、入力していただいて検索していただければライブで配信で見れます。詳しいことを知りたい方はホームページの方を、訪ねてみてください。また電話や LINE でもお問い合わせできます。今日はアメリカのキリスト教最大の放送局 CTN クリスチャンテレビジョンネットワークのインタビューを受けた放送を見てみたいと思います。
It feels like we have part of your family.
우리 한 가족이 된 것 같습니다.
CTN하고 인터뷰할 수 너무 영광입니다.
It's such an honor that we could have this interview with CTN.
CTN 너무 좋은 방송, 큰 방송인데.
We know CTN is a great, wonderful broadcasting station.
Just so you know,
그리고
I know, Pastor, you were born in 1944.
44년도에
네.
태어나셨다고 들었습니다.
네,
Yes,
맞습니다.
yes, you're right.
1944?
Yes,
I was born in 1939.
저는 39년생입니다.
아, 그런데 나보다 더 젊어 보이네.
Wow, you look younger than me.
So I'm your senior.
그래서 제가 더 나이가 많습니다.
And I've since then tried to figure out how to get free from sin.
죄에서 벗어나야 되는지 찾아봤습니다. Yes.
But in reading your book, I understand exactly why the cover says this.
이 표지가 이러한지 제가 알게 됐습니다.
예.
Yes.
Speak to us about your heart and why you compiled this book. I read it as I told
이 책을 왜 쓰셨는지
the individuals in my room here. I read it through and then I go, I'm going to have to try this again. So I read it from the back to the front.
뒤에서부터 앞으로까지 다시 읽었습니다.
예, 감사합니다.
Yes, thank you.
It's an amazing structure that you have put together. Speak to us
그래서 말씀해 주십시오.
what you do,
목사님이
how you have,
어떻게
with God's anointing,
하나님의 기름 부음
put together this huge
이러한 큰
ministry.
하시게 됐는지
Talk to us.
말씀해 주십시오. When I realized this,
성경을 발견했어.
when I discovered it in the Bible,
내 죄가 사실 확실했고
it was clear my sins were forgiven.
누구에게든지
And in front of anyone,
죄를 사한 걸
I
이야기하고.
was able to speak to them about the forgiveness
근데
of sins.
사람들은 예수 피로 내 죄를 사했다고 하면서
But people, even though they say my sins are forgiven by the blood of
내가
Jesus,
죄를 지으니까
but they continue to commit sins,
죄인이라고
so
생각해.
they think that they are sinners.
하나님은
But God says,
이제 영원히 사하고
even those sins have been forgiven forever, He does not remember them no more.
믿었을 때
And when we believe this,
사람들이 굉장히 달라졌어요.
people completely changed.
죄에서 해방을.
They became freed from sin.
저는 이 복음을 전하는 것을 이슈로 해서
And centered around preaching this gospel is the work that I do.
많은
Conference.
분들이 죄에서 벗어나고
And many people became free from sin and rejoiced.
저에게 막 댓글을
And they sent me messages and comments.
지금도 계속해서 이런 복음을 전하고 있습니다.
And even now I continue to preach this gospel.
많은 사람들은
And many people,
예수님 내 죄를 위해 죽었지만
even though Jesus died for my sins,
죄인이라고 말.
they say I'm a sinner.
그건 옳지 않습니다.
That is not right.
예수 피해가 의미가 없습니다.
That takes away the meaning of the blood of Jesus.
예수님의 죄는
The blood of Jesus,
우리 죄를 씻었기 때문에
it has cleansed our
우리가
sins.
뭘 해야 하는
It's not by us doing something,
행위가 아닙니다.
not by works,
하나님 은혜로
but by the grace of God.
이 복음을
He has washed us. That's the gospel we preach.
그래서 제가 처음으로
And-
일반 집회를 했는데
And for the first time, I had a conference
부산에서 한 대학 한 중고등학교 강당에서 했습니다.
at Busan at an auditorium at a high school. We held this crusade,
9시간 동안 집회를 했는데
and I held 9 sessions of services.
그 집회 내용을 가지고
And that revival,
그 책을 만든 겁니다.
that conference was made into a book, and that's the book that you have.
그래서 그 책을 보면 많은 사람 죄 사함
And through that book, many people were able to receive the forgiveness of sins.
아주 많이 팔렸고요.
And it sold very well.
지금도 많이 팔리고
And
있어요.
even now, it's selling very well.
다른 거 말고
And it's not about anything else.
예수님의 피가
It's about how the blood of
우리 죄를
Jesus
산 이 놀라운 사실
forgave our sins. That amazing truth.
전하는 것이
Preaching that,
제게 한없는 기쁨이고
it brings me infinite joy
감사하고.
and thankfulness.
또 이번에도 하나님이 이렇게 인도하셨다는 거예요.
And I feel like it is God who led me to do this.
너무 감사합니다.
I am so thankful.
Thank you for being with us, Joseph, Pastor Park. God bless you. You have blessed us. Have a wonderful.
기회가 되면 내가 뉴욕에 한번 가서 또 당신도 뵙겠습니다.
If I have a chance, I want to go to the U.S. and visit you.
예, 오늘 너무
And
고마웠습니다.
thank you so much today.
그리고
And
저보다
also-
형님입니다.
And you are my older brother to me. Yes.
감사합니다.
Yes, thank you.
What an honor.
감사합니다.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
예, 영광입니다.
We have been blessed.
감사합니다.
This is abundantly more than I could ask or think. We have been blessed.
감사합니다.